Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add glow effect to text in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first we go to a blank page, then go to the tools section and select the frame text tool and draw a text frame to this page. Then click inside the text frame and write anything to the text. Now I am write some text. Now we want to add glow effect to this text. Go to the window menu and enable the layer option. We can see here already enable this. Then we go to the layer option and select the text layer and go to the layer effect option, and we can see here inner glow or the outer glow. You can use anything. Now I am select the outer glow and check mark this glow option and increase the radius of the glow and intensity. You can change the color to this glow. Then close the window. Now we can see we add glow to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.